AP Physics 1 is an algebra-based college-level physics class that can be taken either as an introductory course or as a subsequent science elective. It's focused on topics related to the motion of objects and the things that affect them. So we're talking Newton's laws, kinematics, forces, and so forth. Students need to be at least concurrently enrolled in Algebra 2, as we use a lot of algebra as well as some basic trigonometry like sine, cosine, and tangent in the class. It's graded on a 5.0 scale because it is an AP class. And there's also an associated AP exam. If students do well in that exam, many colleges will award credit. Now, the class is quite rigorous because it is college level, but very little in the way of required homework is assigned. We spend most of our class time thinking about the ideas, practicing, and doing also some laboratory experiments. The course is only offered at the STEAM Center. So let's talk about how AP Physics 1 differs from other courses. So first of all, you should understand that most colleges offer both algebra-based sequences for physics and calculus-based. The algebra-based sequence is like Physics 1 and Physics 2. The calculus-based sequence is like the Physics C sequence. Typically, chemistry majors, biology majors, pre-meds, and so forth take the algebra-based sequence, and engineers and physics majors and so forth take the calculus-based sequence. Well, both are very rigorous, but they're different in terms of the mathematical approach. AP Physics 1 is like the first in the algebra-based sequence. It tends to be a little more conceptual and only use algebra, whereas Physics C tends to be more mathematical and gets into the calculus. Now, on-level physics and physics advanced, which used to be called pre-AP, they cover some of the same topics as those other courses, but at not nearly the level of rigor. IB physics covers some of the topics. It's also algebra-based, but it's typically limited to diploma candidates. So how about Physics 1 versus, say, the Physics C? Well, Physics C traditionally has been only offered at the high school as a combined mechanics and E&M course. And as such, because it had so much material, it had to be a second-year course. There's a possibility that this year there will be a mechanics-only AP Physics C option available as well, which can be taken as a first-year course. That course in Physics 1 will be almost the same in terms of the topics covered. The difference being that Physics 1, again, is more conceptual and algebra-based, whereas Physics C mechanics would tend to be calculus-based, using calculus some of the time at least, more mathematical and oriented more towards, say, engineer and physics majors. All right, good luck on making the right course selection for you.